Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're delving into a recent engineering challenge that unfolded in the heart of New York City. A high-rise building had to be evacuated after alarming signs of potential structural failure emerged. The culprits? Steel columns that began to buckle under pressure. Let's explore how this happened. In engineering, steel columns are critical for supporting a building's weight, including everything from the concrete floors to the people and equipment inside. When these columns start to bend or buckle, it signals a potential structural disaster. This was exactly the case in Manhattan, where experts believe that the weight added during renovation might have pushed the columns beyond their limits. You see, any imbalance in how weight is distributed can lead to serious issues. Sometimes, during renovations or construction, heavy materials are temporarily stored in one area, creating uneven stress on the columns. If the original design doesn't account for these added weights, it can lead to deformation and, eventually, structural failure. To prevent catastrophe, emergency engineering measures were swiftly implemented. Temporary braces were installed to relieve the pressure on the compromised columns. These are stopgap solutions, allowing experts time to diagnose the underlying issues and plan permanent repairs. However, replacing damaged columns is no easy feat. It involves carefully lifting affected floors and installing temporary supports before removing the old columns, a process that requires meticulous planning and execution. This incident underscores the critical importance of precise planning and continuous oversight in construction and renovation projects. Even a minor oversight can have severe consequences. Regular checks of the structural connections and ensuring that weight is evenly distributed are essential for the long-term safety of any building. Thanks for watching Science Hub. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of science and engineering.